Remove cylinder cover. Discard sealing ring, located at the top of the cylinder liner. Lower the piston, enough to grind wear ridges at the liner top using a hand grinder. Remove piston cleaning ring and piston. Disconnect lubricator oil pipes at non-return valves. Remove cooling water pipes, 4 pipes between the cylinder frame and cover. Clean thoroughly. Attach crane and lifting tools. Connect the crane to the lifting crossbar. Screw lifting tools into the liner. Hook chains to the crossbar. Check bolt fit. Use a 0.05mm feeler gauge to ensure no clearance between the lifting bolts and the liner. Tighten bolts to specified torque. See data. Lift liner out of frame. Note: if lifting height is limited, remove 1 or more cylinder cover studs. Land liner vertically, for example on planks. Clean cylinder frame, especially contact surfaces. Discard O-rings from cooling water pipes and clean pipes.